Hey, welcome to the course, and we have a special bonus. Now, we are doing this for some of our SEO clients, and it is a targeted link package. So we've told you that we're building these large PBN networks, but they all start out by pointing to a target, and then we network it out from there. And so we have anywhere from 1,000 to 8,000 links that we're spreading across different targeted links on each of the niches and categories. As a special thank you for buying this course, we're going to give you one of these targeted link packages, and it's $197 is what we're actually charging customers to do a targeted link with all these different links. Now, what we do is we drip feed these links, so they don't come in immediately, so we're not going to hurt your Google SEO efforts. What we're going to do is drip feed it over a 90-day period. They're coming from different IPs, different sites, and different locations around the world. We host all these on Amazon servers, so they're in all the Amazon locations around the world. So what this does is it gives you a really good blended variety, and it's targeted back to your site. Now, here's the cool thing. If you want to send it to a group of links, what we'll do is we'll spin them. We'll put them in a spin tax, and we'll spin them and put them in that targeted position. Now, typically, our networks, we will target 4 different links going out. So we can have up to 4 people on a targeted package. It is a manual effort, guys. So if you fill out this form, you may not get a response immediate, because either Wayne or I are going to respond to you by email. It could be anywhere from 2 days. It could be up to 2 weeks from now when we actually start the campaign. But all our campaigns are set up to run 90 days or longer, but primarily the targeted links are all dropped within the first 90 days. And this gives you a great link diversity package. Now, we don't give you these links. The entire campaign will be built. If you would like to contact us in 12 months, we can give you the exact links they're on. But for right now, what we do is we're going to tell you when it starts and how many links you're going to get. And again, this could be 3 days from now or 2 weeks from now by the time we get around to doing all these links for everybody. So very excited. Give us your name, your email, choose the category and the niche, and we're going to take whatever link or group of links, and we're going to make a targeted link off of a PBN network. So thank you again, and we'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.